In this video, we will show you how to modify existing components. Here you can see a pile foundation created with cross-sectional components. By simply double-clicking one of the components, we can modify its length. When closing the Python part, we are asked if the identical Python parts should be updated. By clicking Yes, all components with the same cross-section, representation, and geometry properties are updated. For this next example, we will change the representation and length of a single component. However, we will not update the identical Python parts, as we only want a few of the components to change. To apply those changes to other components, we can start the Replace Smart Symbol Smart Part command. First, let us select all the components we want to apply the changes to. Secondly, let us select the component we just modified. As you can see, it is very easy to modify multiple components at once.